Hello. How you doing?
Okay.
Reason I stopped you is your right brake light is out. Who do you work for?
So did you stop me because my right brake light is out?
Yeah.
Or did you stop me to ask me who I work for?
Well, I'm asking you both.
DCS.
What?
DCS.
DCS. What's DCS?
You don't know what
Department of
DCS
Children's
is?
Services?
No. Okay. So if you stop me for my right brake light, then we can address that.
Okay.
Okay.
Is your license then?
Top 13, and you can go for it.
Do you have your badge on you? Like your ID badge?
ID badge for.
Being a police officer.
Do you want my ID? See, this is what's conflicting. You're asking me all those questions.
Right.
Saying you stopped me for my right brake light. When I watched you follow me from the gas station.
Right.
Right. So which one is it?
So if you're a police officer, you understand what probable cause is, right?
So what's the problem with that?
Your right brake light's out.
My right brake light wasn't out when you followed me out of the gas station.
Yeah, it is. It's out right now.
The car wasn't even on when you followed me out of
Doesn't
the gas
matter.
station.
You're driving with a brake light out on the streets, so it's an equipment
Okay,
violation.
You followed me out of the gas station.
I saw it when you were pulling out.
Alright.
Look, long story short, I just want to know who you work for.
Okay. And that's the issue. Why do you want to know who I work for?
Because I've never seen you around here before. You're not a police officer that works here.
You don't know who I am. If
That's
you just
right.
Said you never seen me before.
Right. So, are you a police officer or are you not a police officer?
So because a black person walks into a store with a badge and a gun, it's an issue.
That has nothing to do with you
never
being
seen
black. That has nothing to do with you being black.
Because you never seen me before?
I don't recognize you.
What that got to do with me and where I work?
Are you a police officer or you're not a police
I'm
officer?
not a police officer.
You're not a police officer?
No.
So why would you go into Quick Trip and get free food with your badge and gun?
Because I'm an officer. You don't have to be a police officer to go in there. I've been doing it for 3 years. Just
You're an
because
officer
you've never
with who?
seen me
You're an officer with
doesn't
who?
mean that I don't work here. That's the issue that I'm having.
So you're not a
it's
certified police
It's
officer.
not probable cause. It's a personal thing. Because you've never seen me walk in that store. You followed me out the store, got in your car, seen that I had a brake light out, and decided to pull me over for my brake light, which all you're questioning me about is that I went into Quick Trip. Did I steal from Quick Trip?
Yeah, if you're not a police officer.
I did not steal from Quick Trip. I went up to the register, spoke to the guy that works there, and told him I had his drink.
So you're presenting yourself as a police officer with your badge and your gun on the side.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
I do understand that. But my issue with you is, you've seen that. You say because you've never seen me before.
So who do you work for?
Me out of the store.
Who do you work for?
Who
is DCS?
How long have you been working?
12 years, 13 years.
How do you not know what DCS is?
There's, like I said, is it Department of Children's Services? What is it? Explain it to me.
I don't have to explain myself to you. If you're gonna give me a ticket for the tail light, you give me a ticket for the tail light.
Okay. You see your license?
Who's
your supervisor?
Sorry, I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful, but what does that have to do with my brake light?
What it has to do with is you've told me you're a police officer or you're an officer for DCS. I've got DCS on the phone. They say you don't work there. So who's your supervisor? I have one of your employees here, Brandy Green. She was with her friend, Petra Edgerton. Brandy decided that she was going to give Petra her badge and her gun to go into Quick Trip and get some food. So I pulled them over for a broken tail light. Petra was driving. She had the badge on and the gun on. When I pulled them over, she identified herself as a DCS officer and then later admitted to not being a DCS officer. And your employee, Brandy Green, admitted to giving her the gun and the badge to go into Quick Trip to get the free food.